Let's go to see the solutions for the activities. For number 1, we have to add the 6 observations and divide by 6. So the correct answer is B, 9. So the sample mean is 9. For number 2, same group of data, we have to put the data in order from the smallest to the largest. So the data will be 3, 6, 6, 8, 12 and 19. We put the data in order, step number 1. Step 2, it will be the average of the third and fourth ranked observation. So the third one is 6, the fourth one is 8, so the average of 6 and 8 will be 7. So the correct answer is D. Number 3, find the mode. The mode will be 6 since we have 2 6's. And for the range we need the maximum and the minimum value and then calculate the difference. 19 is the maximum minus 3, which is the minimum, so the range is equal to 16. For the next one, calculate the standard deviation. We have to follow the same steps as before. You have to calculate the summation of x, so you have to take 6 plus 9 plus 3 and so on. The summation of x square, 6 square plus 19 square plus 3 square and so on. Then use the computational formula that I gave you for the variance, and then you take the square root of the variance, and this is going to be the standard deviation. Don't forget, because we have a sample, you have to divide by 6 minus 1 by 5. So the correct one is 5.7. For this problem, number 6, it says the percent. If you notice, the standard deviation is 6.5 and then the mean is 24.4. So as you can see, it says between 11.4 to 37.4. The mean is 24.4, so the difference between 24.4 and 11.4 is 13. 13 is 2 standard deviations. The same thing for 37.4. The difference is 13, meaning it's 2 standard deviations. So we have x bar plus minus 2 standard deviations. So that means if we have 2 standard deviations, we have 95% of the data. The z-score for this problem, it will be x minus x bar over the standard deviation. X is 15 minus 24.4 divided by 6.5. So the correct one is negative 1.45, B. For the interquartile range, we have to calculate the first quartile and the third quartile. The data are already in order. If you calculate Q1, Q1 will be 6.72. If you calculate Q3, it will be 31.24. So the difference between the two of them will be 24.52. And this is going to be the interquartile range. Correct answer is A. And for the last one, the first quartile is 18. If I ask you about the minimum is 10. The median or second quartile is 24. The third quartile is 26. The maximum is 30. In this case, I ask you for the first quartile. So the correct answer is 18, B.